Welcome to Atlanta RV. This is a front end separation repair job. This is our exclusive steel plate reinforcement that ties the shell to the C-channel to the frame. It's 20 inches high, 53 inches wide. Rivets to the vertical ribs. Right now it's held in with screws. We'll be replacing those with buck rivets. And then additional bolts will go through the floor down to the frame. Separation on a 2022 Airstream Classic 33 footer, and these are some supports that I'm making for strengthening the frame between the frame and the tongue to allow additional bolting surface for the shell. As you can see, we've added additional rivets, and on the inside we've added a 20 inch by 53 inch steel plate that all of these rivets will be going through to strengthen this front end.